Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source in Jacksonville, Florida. I want to talk to you for a minute about our 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Four-wheel drive, 4.0 inline six, automatic transmission. It's got cold factory air, just under 77,000 miles. It's a really nice XJ. It's been recently repainted. That lift is very new. It's probably about a 3-inch rough country lift. It's got a set of 265 70 16 Falken all-terrain tires on the factory limited wheels. Walk around it, you see it's just a really nice Cherokee. We've got a lot of photos on our website, premierautosource.com. I encourage you to go over there and check it out. We've got a lot of photos of the interior, the engine compartment, as well as underneath. We also have a copy of the free Carfax. If you have any questions about this Jeep, you're welcome to call me at 904-382-7230. If you go to our website, we also have a link to financing for customers with good credit. We also have shipping available. We'd be happy to put you in contact with some of the best in the business. Shipping, door-to-door service is available. If you have any questions about the Jeep, please feel free to call or text me at 904-382-7230. We really appreciate your time and interest. We look forward to hearing from you soon.